In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version history in Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking changes, reverting to previous versions, and understanding the evolution of your documents over time. Let's walk through it step by step. Firstly, before we dive into the version history itself, you'll want to make sure you can access Google Drive. So open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in using your Google account credentials. Ensure you're logged in with the account that contains the files you wish to work with. Having a stable internet connection will make this process smooth and uninterrupted. Once you've successfully signed in, you're now at your Google Drive dashboard, where you can see all your stored files and folders. Locate the specific file you want to examine for its version history. It could be a Google Doc, Sheet, or any other file type supported by Google Drive. Click on the file to open it, bringing its contents into view. With the document now open, direct your attention to the top menu bar, where you'll see an option labeled File. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains numerous options, but for the purpose of reviewing past versions and changes, you'll want to look for and click on the Version History option nestled within that list. Upon clicking Version History, another menu will appear. Here, select See Version History. This action opens a panel on the right side of your document screen, displaying a comprehensive log of all changes made to that document over time. Each entry typically includes the date and time of the change and the user who made the edits. This powerful version history tool not only allows you to see previous iterations of your work, but also to click on any version to view what it looked like at that moment. You can restore previous versions if needed, making it easy to recover any content that might have been mistakenly deleted or altered. Now, a couple of tips. While viewing different versions, remember that you can name specific versions for easier reference later. Simply click on the three vertical dots next to a version and choose Name this version, a handy feature for quickly identifying crucial drafts or final versions of your document. And that's it. You're now equipped to utilize Google Drive's version history feature effectively. This can be a game changer for managing complex documents or collaborative projects. So give it a try the next time you need to track your document's evolution or safeguard your work from accidental changes.